Guys, so welcome back to Poké Lovers World. Today we are playing Granny Chapter 4, and whoever wants Pokemon Blaze next part, that is gonna come to a day after tomorrow or at Saturday because the part is really big. So let's go. So in this game, this is a fan-made game, so this is unofficial. Released in 2022, I mean just right now. So I really like this one. Okay, I'll skip my intro and okay, so we are basically in the ghost mode. I guess ghost mode is a bit more hard than what it takes, so let's go. I need to find Granny's bathroom for my first item, I guess, because after watching most of the gameplays, people found their first item in the bathroom only. What? Granny didn't see me? I'm saved, guys, from getting thrashed. Let's go, guys. Oh, one sec, my screen just lagging. One sec, guys. Oh no, my recorder is also not working because of screen lagging. So, guys, I figured out that why this is lagging because I'm not using the second control, I guess. So let's go to the toilet to get our first item. It's very weird to get your first item in the toilet, right? Let's go. What is gonna be the first item? I don't have any idea. OP. One sec. Again, where are we? Granny. Oh, Granny. Want to play hide and seek? Let's go. Please, no Granny. No Granny over here, please. Oh shit, guys, I saw Grandpa. He's coming with a shotgun, but we don't need to get scared because this is the ghost mode, and in the ghost mode, they can't see you. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I guess the toilet is upstairs. Please, Grandpa, don't be drunk. If he's drunk, no, he might see us and kill us. That's what I think. OP, guys. OP, we are up. Hi, Granny. Want to play hide and seek? Granny's talking this time, not me. Let's go. Look for me. I am not over here. Bye bye, Granny. Okay. Before she takes a guess about where we are, no, let's run away. OP, guys. Nobody's over here. Let's go. Hi, Pagal Guriya. Let's go. By the way, guys, whoever has watched Granny's movie series, no, please tell me in the comments because in 2016, Granny got so much hard pain because of rashes, and it was really bad. The first movie that I watched about Granny. So we finally reached the bathroom, and now let's get our first item. What is it going to be? Okay, what do we get? Where is our item, by the way? Let's check in the basin. One sec, guys. So guys, I found out my first item, which was safe key over here. I guess the safe key is for that big locker you can see. No, I guess the bigger one, the most big locker. I'll take you guys over there and see you guys. Hi, Granny. So guys, let's move ahead. Where was that locker? Please, Granny, don't even take a hint about where we are. If she takes us, then we are gone, guys. Seriously, we are ripped. If Granny has even a % of hint of where we are. This is not the locker, guys. This is Granny Grandpa's room. So cool, dude. One sec. Let's go. Guys, let's go. We are gonna do the door escape in this game. Okay. From where do we have to go now? Granny is there inside. Okay. I'll find my way and see you guys. Finally, guys, we have reached the locker. So, guys, now I guess we are gonna do the unboxing of this. Let's see what is in here. What do we get? something is there. One sec, I'll reach it to it and see you guys because the screen is lagging. So guys, we found out that there is a lift button over here. Let's go. We drop, and I guess Granny will sense us by this. Hi, Pagal Budiya Bhago. Guys, I'm seriously telling you, let's run. Okay, here's the exit door. Looks rusty. Granny, I told you to take care of your locks, idiot. What up, for hide and seek? Okay, let's go. Granny is in very bad mood. OP guys, we are finally down. I see you. What? Grandpa. Shit guys. एक मुसीबत से निकले दूसरी में अटके. रे बाबा, let's go. Run. Run. Grandpa is coming. I see you. Again? I'll find the lift at you guys because I forgot my way. So guys, I entered into the place from where the lift is there. OP. So how hard is this game just because of the lagging? If your screen also lags, comment down below. Okay, so finally the lift has opened up. Let's go. Let's go guys. OP, run into the lift. Wait a minute. What? The lift is taking us somewhere. Where is the lift taking us? Come on. Come on. Open up. Please, Angeline. Please, I don't want Angeline to be here. Otherwise, she's Slendrina's mom. She'll to kill us. Definitely. Now we have to find an item called a tumbler. As per what I know. So let's find it out. So it's not in these chairs. I'll have to find it even more hard. I need a tumbler to operate these things. Wait a minute, can it be down? OP. I mean, like, seriously. No tumblers over here. Let's go. I need a tumbler. No tumbler. Shit, guys. Shit. So to escape from here, I need a tumbler. What is this? What is this drawer doing over here? Let's check this out. Is anything in here? No. Of course. Why will Granny keep her precious things in that stupid drawer? Okay, where's the second drawer from where I can get a tumbler? I need a tumbler to escape. Okay guys, so I guess I found out from where do I have to get the tumbler. I know guys, in the ghost mode, Granny, Grandpa and Angeline cannot see you. Is the only conclusion, but Grandpa cannot hear you as well because Grandpa can only hear 8 things as for what I know. Okay, please, something should be here. Nothing, absolutely. So guys, what I'll do is I'll find the tumbler and then tell you the location because it's too hard to find the tumbler and my recorder is also lagging. So one sec. Guys, I found out the tumbler and it was below these chairs. So let's place it to its right place, which means with the others. Okay, go tumbler. Let's go guys. So we have got the tumbler now. Let's go from here. What is this door? Let's check this door guys before we go. What is this door? Why is it this not opening? What? Just with the tumbler we escaped this house. But no, there's a bit of more distance before Angelina or anybody else comes. I am running away guys from this house. Okay, we took a bit of long time, but it doesn't matter, right? So finally guys, we have escaped from Granny house. Thank you for completing the game. I hope you liked the gameplay video. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments which two games shall we play next. Download link in the description. Check it out. Okay guys, tata bye bye. See you. Sayonara. Bye.